Okay, today we're going to try something new and different. Tilapia burgers. I know. I'm not sure how well this is going to turn out, but I'm going to give it a shot. And so I got me some nice fresh tilapia that I've already let defrost. It was frozen, prepackaged. I'm going to prepare this. Basically, I went and dug up my little micro mini food processor. Ooh, and it's still cold. And basically what we're going to do is take a tilapia. To grind it into a paste. Now, this is going to take a little time to get it all ground up. I may have to change and get a bigger food processor. Wow, that's actually making more than I expected. Okay, let's try one more. I may not be able to put another one in here. Let's see. Okay, so if you look at it, almost like the consistency of meat or hamburger, kind of. So this is raw tilapia, so I wasn't going to eat it. Now I'm going to go get the other ingredients. I'm going to add eggs, some breadcrumbs. Use eggs and breadcrumbs as a bonding agent to bond it into it, and then we're going to see if I can turn it into a patty, and then season and cook it. Stay. I'll be right back. Okay, went and got a few more ingredients. I'm going to take this out. Interesting. This ain't more than I expected. Okay. I think I can make a patty with this. I sure can. So what we're gonna do now, one egg. Now you don't have to use a whole egg. You can use egg whites. That'll work also. I'm gonna use a little bit of little breadcrumbs. You're like, Oops. I'm going to try a new product that I got, which is called a hamburger press. Hold on 1 second. I actually got to do a product review on that hamburger press, and I haven't even had a chance to do it. So we're going to do this the old-fashioned way, by hand. Take a chunk of it in by your hand, and you're going to beat it up almost like a hamburger patty. It still doesn't have the consistency that I'm looking for. So I'm going to have to add one more thing to this. One second. a little bit more. I was looking to see if I had any cornstarch, but I don't think I'm going to add any of that. A bit more. And it's almost to what I wanted. Almost. A little bit more breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs go for that. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. So look at that. See how it comes together like that? That's what you want. Now, I can literally, now you can add additional seasonings to this, like different more herbs, salt and pepper, however you want to add to your burger. Now this is actually a fish burger, or a tilapia burger, as it's going to turn out to be. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now, these two tilapia fillets made two small burgers. Is going to end up making two burgers, small burgers. And since I really like that fish seasoning that I tried on my tilapia last time, I'm going to add a little bit of that onto this. So I'll be right back. Let me go get that seasoning. A little bit of this Caribbean fish seasoning, because I thought that was quite tasty. And like I said, with spices and seasonings, you can be as generous as you want to on these, because guess what? No calories. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven, bake it. We're going to give a quick taste test when it's done, and we're going to see what it tastes like with my first version of tilapia burgers. Okay, so I decided I wouldn't look to, don't have any hamburger buns. So we're going to do a couple of different tries. We're going to try it on a single slice of bread. Smells like tilapia. Oh, hot. That tastes very different compared to the plain tilapia I had when I made it last time with the same seasoning. And I think maybe it's the bread that's giving it a different taste. Now, I just happen to have a biscuit. As you can see, it didn't come out too bad. Biscuit burger form. So I'm going to see what it tastes like on a biscuit. Now, the sweetness of the biscuit gives it a very interesting twist. That's actually pretty good compared to the plain taste of just regular bread. Now we're going to see what the tilapia tastes like, or tilapia burger tastes like, just as a patty itself. It tastes very different than the traditional tilapia with the seasoning on it. This, and I think it's the breadcrumbs that may be doing it, almost gives it a more burger-like texture to it. I'm almost wanting to add something like ketchup to it. Speaking of, let's try a little horseradish and ketchup. ketchup. I'm going to do sugar-free barbecue sauce. Let's see if it makes a difference on any of them. Oh yeah. That's the difference between night and day. Oh. Yes. Let's compare that to a little horseradish. That's not bad either. That's not bad at all. So, eating it by itself, almost like eating a hamburger patty. You know, who eats a hamburger patty with plain? People normally add cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, whatever. Alone is not that, is all right. But just add a little bit of something extra to it. Let me see what this tastes like. Oh. The combination of the sweet biscuit with the tilapia burger and that sugary barbecue sauce, almost to die for. This is almost a match made together. Ooh, man, I still got that taste in the back of my mouth. Try just a tad bit of horseradish. See if that makes any difference. Not bad. Not quite as good as the barbecue sauce. And I think it's because of the taste of the horseradish with the sweetness of the biscuit and the tilapia burger. It's doable if you really like horseradish sauce, and I really do. But that sugar-free barbecue sauce, hands down the winner. Now we're gonna just try a little bit of this burger with just the sugar-free. No matter what you do, with bread, with biscuit, or by itself, that sugar-free barbecue sauce, hands on. Okay. Horseradish is not bad at all. But if I had to tell someone to choose one or the other, but I do love horseradish. There's no question about that. But the sugar-free barbecue sauce adds that extra bang for your buck. You eat it without it, just the bread, biscuit, or whatever, it just tastes like a plain tilapia burger. Or probably closer to a vegan burger. But you added some of this sauce to it, it's almost like you broke the camel's back. Definitely more full flavoring taste. And still, again, we avoid the sugar. Now, this biscuit and bread, both high carbs in it, so you know it's going to spike your blood sugar level. But I just wanted to use those as taste testers and see how this burger was going to come out. This is my first attempt to make this, and I was just thinking about how to make regular food into more of a burger type form. This didn't come out too bad. Not bad at all. Until next time, family, I'll talk to you. I'm going to try to get this updated or uploaded next couple of days. Try to do it tonight if I have time, but I don't think I will. Till next time, take care.